All right, we're just getting things situated, getting it off the truck. We went exploring a little bit. Spent a lot of time in Jacksboro growing up and decided to go down memory lane, which is a dirt road apparently. But hey, check out this site. Look at this. Look at that cool rock behind us. We're right at the end of a loop, so not many of us down here. And that rock wall has done wonders to block the wind because it's a very windy day and it's chilly. And we're right on a trail, so that's also pretty cool. So we'll have to do some exploring there. And what I'm really excited about is going checking out the actual Fort Richardson. So we got to hurry up and get this done because it's going to close at 4, so I don't want to miss out. So we're now in the Cavalry Hospital of Fort Richardson. I can't tell you how lucky we are to have old historical buildings like this that are still open to the public. It's truly amazing. So check this out. What? Could you imagine being a patient here? It was almost a death sentence because you come here and you're already dying, but you're going to come here and get malaria and no telling what else. Wow, this is really unique. At the peak of the fort's use, there were over 800 people here at one time. 800 people, not in this hospital, but at the fort. The property had originally over 60 buildings. I believe there's 13 that are left standing. So we're lucky that we still have this much available these days. Man, this is pretty cool.
Yes, that's where we went through the tour.
The fort was in existence for 11 years. The Army set this up. Protection against Indian raids for the frontiers people. 1867, I believe, is when this was first put into commission. Chow time. Somebody didn't finish their food. I might go get me a little nibble over there. Looks pretty good. Some gruel tonight. They're serving gruel. Conveniently located directly behind the hospital is the morgue. All right. Yep, simple and to the point. Not yet, not yet.
No.
I don't know, that looks like it's your size.
No. Not yet, I'm not ready to go yet.
Oh, yeah. The hospital had to be a death sentence, I'm sure. The other thing about Jacksboro, Jack County, West Texas, and please excuse the wind. It's just a windy area, it always is. But I want you to look behind the morgue and see what you see. That's West Texas. Prickly pears everywhere. Along with prickly pears, fortunately it's winter time right now, but warm season, don't even have to be middle of summer. It could be late February, early March. Rattlesnake season. They're everywhere. And this is more like it. During wartime or peacetime, I'm gonna go to the bakery. Let's see. Yeah. Hi, good, hello. I'd like to order a dozen kolaches. All right, let's get them cooking.
3 dozen of donuts.
Look at there, you got a place to sit down. And yeah, all right. I think they're sold out, so we'll have to come back on another day. The unique structure is called the magazine. So it was used to store explosives. The first thing you'll notice is how thick these walls are. See how big the building is? But much smaller inside. These walls are 4 feet deep. Amazing. And it would have had an iron door on it. And the purpose of all this is if there was a problem, I guess you would say, it would self-implode rather than explode, because jam-pack that with gunpowder, you know what's going to happen. What you see here is the enlisted men's quarters. So this building would house up to 150 men. Sure, it's a good sized building, but not for 150 people. So let's look inside. They would have to get quite cozy on their bunks. I think to the point of even sharing bottom and top bunks. Tough times. Oh man, yeah. Haven't got around to laundry service yet, it looks like, but man. They got they would have had 2 wood burning stoves in here for heat. Summertime, you might say, I'd rather stay outside, but that's fine. Go out with the coyotes and rattlesnakes and you'll still be wanting to come back in, I guess. So they would have their rifles here. Once the attack's on, it's on. Oh, got the ruins of the guardhouse. It didn't fare too well. That wouldn't want to be the best place to be. It looks pretty small. That's all that's left of the guardhouse. You like old bridges? I do. I think they're really cool. This one was actually moved 500 yards from its original location. Was used by Gulf and Western and Chicago Rock Island. But that's a beautiful bridge. And the last building we got is the CO's quarters, your commanding officer's quarters. Pretty nice looking place. They're doing some remodeling out here. And it's been said that when General Sherman used to come visit out here, he wouldn't stay in here. He'd actually stay out in a camp east of here. For one, you don't want to risk getting yourself into that hospital over there, right? But 2, this General Sherman was just a bad dude. finished product. That's a good looking pizza. Look at that crust. That crust is how it's supposed to be. Jalapenos. Man, that is good looking. So we're gonna dive in. I think this is a perfect time for cold snack. All right, so here's the setup tonight. Miss Dee Dee's enjoying the pizza. We got the fire, staying warm in here. We got the tent, what is this, the quick tent. So keeping us warm and also gives privacy. I've got the nice little table I got on sale at Walmart, so that's pretty cool because I got my pizza, I've got cold snacks, a couple of them, so it's gonna be a great night. So I'm fixing to chow down. I'll talk to you later. All right, got the little heater going, got some YouTube going, got a Miss Dee Dee and some PJs going, and we got our cookies, so we're gonna have our snack and we'll see you in the morning. I got this trail right by our camp. Looks like a good one, pretty popular. There's been several people, including Jesse and Judith, that we've met through here. So let's turn around and take a look. I'm really liking the natural beauty of this place. Just check this out. It's pretty amazing. Right by this peaceful creek. Peaceful today. Look at that. Some nice clean water. Well, that's going to do it for this week's adventure at frosty Fort Richardson State Park here in beautiful Jacksboro, Texas. Just a small little ranching town that hadn't changed a whole lot in 30 years since I've been out here last. But hey, it's a good one. You want to get a quick lunch, Herd's Burger, pretty darn good.
Great.
You want a good breakfast, Village Inn or the Village Breakfast, pretty darn good, very generous with their bacon. So come on out, check it out, have a great time. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, and we will see you
Down the road.